Umbrella crescent jacketing. Now guys, did you know that the reason for global warming is due to our pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 rising can Jumbo Sakai and Sika Grupo from first baser from Iron Man Sika Grupo Papa John and Paralang Good Boys. And to the kids out there who say don't know how to ride a bicycle, don't you worry guys, because this morning Jumbo will also show us how to ride a ding 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 scooter. Now, Jumbo, sakay ulit din. Sika Jumbo, tandaan lang. Mag-dressing table and Paralang Good Boys. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help with our nature. We can also do our part by doing the reuse, recycling their purpose, or some alternative ways for our transportation. Now that's all for Jumbo guys. Palakpakin natin sila siyempre.